sitting counting all my blessings. God, come get me out of this town. 'Cause every day I wake up wishing I could break up with the city light and construction sound. I couldn't wait to move, I had so much to prove. That's all I could do to get away. But now that I'm here, I'm filled with fear. In the mirror when I look at my face, all I see is an empty heart and broken dreams.
All right, welcome back, guys. And we got some good news.
Am I in the shot?
Yes, you are in the freaking shot.
I can't see it.
You don't need to see yourself. You're in there.
Okay. Hello. Shall we start again?
No, we're not starting again. This is it.
No, you've got to start again. We've got to do a couple of takes.
All right, take two.
2, 1, 2.
Good day, people. How are you all going? And yes, we've got some good news.
We've got some very good news. Just in case I'm not in the shot.
For God's sake. Rightio.
What's the good news?
We got the YouTubey.
What is it?
Ooh, let's find out.
Hang on. Why did we get it?
Over 100,000 subscribers.
So we owe you a big thank you. All of you. Because without you, we wouldn't have got it.
Thanking you guys all the time. And just say this, to get this, YouTube doesn't give it to you, right? You got to apply for it.
You do.
Yes. And, well, only taken 2 weeks to get here, isn't it?
That's not bad.
Not bad at all. So what we got in this bloody thing here, let's open her up. Congratulations on your subscribers milestone. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick.
Thank you, Rick.
Yeah, thank you, Rick. It seems to be, if you look at this on YouTube, it's always Rick. I only ever got one guy that does the whole lot. It's Rick.
Well, how many awards have you had?
This is our first award, of course, but,
yeah.
You know, we need it a bit more. If your award was damaged or during shipping, you know, you can...
Why are you reading the card out?
I know. Right.
I'm sure that they... Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay, right. So then you get this YouTube thing here too.
A letter, they call it.
Little letter. It's... What is it? A3? No way.
A5.
A5, right. Do you remember your first subscriber?
Yeah, we do.
Yes, we actually do.
His name is Sean.
Sean, yes. His name is Sean.
And he gets a T-shirt. Every T-shirt, he gets a new one every time we do a new T-shirt. And there's new T-shirts coming through.
Right. And do you know your 1,000th subscriber?
Yes, we do.
I do. We do.
Actually, it's...
no.
Is it Lee or
No.
is it Jesse?
No. So you don't. I do.
Who was it?
One of the guys at work was our 1,000th subscriber.
Was he?
Yes.
'Cause Lee and Jesse would have been close.
On the ball. Right. So that says it there. You know, I'm not going to read it all. Right, let's go to this award. Oh, actually...
Can I take the box away?
Leave the award. If we go to... If you have a team of people in your YouTube channel, right, you can get plaques like this.
For your whole team?
For your whole team, right? And if...
Where's mine?
Extra plaque, hey?
Where's my plaque?
We can get you one.
No, honey. We work as a team. We just need one plaque.
Right, let's unpack this. How's that, Shazz? You can read it out. What's on it?
Okay, it says presented to Ed and Shazz Adventures for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you everyone.
Yes, that's it.
Still a little bit overwhelmed, but
It's a little one. We can put it on anywhere. Traveling with a caravan or whatever.
I thought it was going straight to the pool room.
I was going to the pool room. So that is what it looks like. And they shrunk them down from a couple of years ago, apparently.
Well, we don't care because that's the one that we got and we like that one.
Yeah. So that's a little mirror with a YouTube button. So it's a silver button.
Yeah.
Let's go for the bloody gold, eh?
Oh,
Right, yeah.
okay.
Right, we're going to put this in. The movie that we're making now. And it's going to be a movie with a lot from when we started.
It's going to be a combination of
bits and pieces that we haven't
best
shown.
bits.
Yes, so don't know how long it's going to be or whatever. Plus, we've also got some other good news for our travels for this year.
Yes, we've got a trip in April, which we're going north and going to have a look at some beach camps in April. And in July, August, we're going to go up the middle for as long as we can and then come down the coast. We're going to be on the road for 28 days. But the big surprising ones is that we've found some hip camps around the Midwest that are really close to where we live. So we're going to explore them. But we're waiting for the weather to become a bit more friendly because we're about 4.5... No, we're not. We're 3 weeks away from campfires being allowed again. And
Yes,
you really need a campfire to
we
sit
don't
around.
like travelling that much when it's warm and you can't have campfires.
Well, it's
Love
too
the
windy.
campfires, don't we?
But it's been really windy this year. Like we're on the west coast, and I know WA means windy always, but this year's been a little bit windier than normal, and it's been stronger. Like we've got gusts this afternoon that are sitting about 60 kilometres an hour, and it's rocking and rolling the
It's
caravan,
blowing it out there, isn't it?
blowing its box off.
Well, I was going to say something different,
Yeah, I
but
know.
it's blowing like something shocking.
It is. It's blowing gas.
Rightio, we'll say see you guys, and we'll go and get this movie made and put it on. So,
And we're looking forward to seeing you on the road, having a chat.
Yep.
Got some more product reviews coming up. We've got some good ones. Can't wait to share them with you.
Diesel heater, I'm not looking forward to put in the caravan, though.
But I'm looking forward to it being in the caravan.
Okay.
All right.
Ciao, and thank you very much, guys.
Yeah, thanks everyone, and be safe out there.
Yeah. We're either dumb or we're dumber. Let's look at this. Quite all right, actually. Blowing your pajikas off.
Good spoon. Smells yummy.
Just got to cook it down.
The barricade, it makes me wait, it makes me want to want you. The mess we made, it brought me fate, it wrote me songs to create too. You messed me up so bad, never thought I had the answers, yeah, you messed me up so bad, never thought I had the answers, make it up.
Hey, good day and welcome back. We're at the present moment at Coronation Beach. It's showing you the areas around Geraldton, where you can go, where you can camp. This is not a free camp. It's about 30 k's from Giro, I think, and between Northampton. I didn't know it had 2 campsites here, so this is one. As you see that, and that's, I'm going up top, walking up to one of these lookouts. Shaz already got me for me. There she is. Here's your mic, and it works.
Yeah, put it on there.
Yeah.
They've done a lot of work here since the last time we were down here.
Yeah.
You got toilet blocks, you got shower blocks, you got recycling blocks. They've got areas where they obviously do competitions for windsurfing and kite surfing. Yeah, there's been a lot of work done around here.
Yeah, sure is.
It's not the neat or tidiest campsite, hey? You can cut that out if you disagree.
Yes, I disagree. All right, I'm going up top.
All right, you can go up top.
Why?
Because he doesn't like going up the stairs.
Oh,
He's a scaredy cat.
let's give her the wimp dog. Dogs, you take them anywhere, and then they whinge because they've got to walk stairs. How's that possible? Right, this is going up the top. Do a bit of running. There's Shaz down the bottom there. Look at the views here. Right, so this campground's out there now. We're going to check that out. Way over there is good forward driving along the beach. Good fishing actually, and a good place to get bogged. Sand, yeah. Right, yeah. Crow boat. Right, that way over there is Giro, past the bend there. And look at that, not many campers out here, is there? Not at all. All right, so as you see here, right here, that's for people that want to camp. So this is one campsite. This is another campsite. Right, yeah. Bay 5. And you got a bit of undercover for you
Stop
down
being
there.
a sook.
Right. See where Shaz has gone? Oh, we'll have a clue where. Oh, there she is. So, I expect there are toilets down here. See in the back there. Out here. Just walk through. As you see here, I'm just rushing it through at the moment. Right, there are toilets, showers. How's that?
I knew we were sniffing someone out. My dog was sniffing yours out.
Pergola area where you can sit, and barbecue areas right here. Let's go and check them out, how clean they are. Oh, come on, boys, we can do better than that. Yeah, better than that. Right, yeah.
Did you go to the caretaker's hut and get the information?
No. Right, yeah.
There's been a lot of building down here. I suppose it's been 10 years, so it would do.
Yeah. So as I'll turn around now, right, this is how you pay, Visa card or whatever. Oh, it's $20 per day per vehicle. And you can stay up to here for, where do I see it?
On the internet, it says 30 days, but it could be different.
I thought I just saw it up here somewhere. Oh,
30 days.
30 days you can stay here. That's a long time, isn't it? This is the beach. Right. You've got footer competition for, what is it? Kite surfing or whatever they want to call it. This is your beach. Not too bad, is it? Pretty calm day today. How's that? And we've got oceans, right, that meet up to rivers when they burst through. Morning.
Morning.
Here we are on the beach of Quobba.
It's called the Homestead Beach at Quobba, and it's just a rather lovely way to wake up.
There you go. Rightio, and here we are in Carnarvon. Have a look at this. This is maybe the best part of Carnarvon. Got a bit of art out here, and that's the artist dude that done it. There's a bit of a bridge, playground for the kids, 2-story mansions there, and a coffee shop. And just around the corner you got Woolies, the whole bloody lot, and yeah, you can go and do your shopping. So Shaz has just gone down, I think she's going to get a coffee.
Don't be afraid to take some time for yourself. There's no rush to be anywhere. The sun will shine again tomorrow. So rest, recharge, and remember that you're allowed to move at your own pace. The world will wait for you.
Rose from the